Hey guys, it is me, the Pometnov, and today I'll show you how to build Toy Chica out of Lego. This is a really cool build because it's highly accurate and pretty smooth, as well as the fact that it has an additional detachable cupcake which can be attached and detached, and I'll show you how to build both of them. And the reason why I built this build is because so many people wanted me to make the toy animatronics. Anyways, let's get right into the tutorial. Anyways, now that that tutorial is over, let's go ahead and assemble Toy Chica. We first take the upper torso and the bottom torso, and we connect it here. Anyways, we take the legs, so that this piece is on the outside. So now let's add both pieces right here. Now let's take the hands. We take the hand with the cupcake, and we put it here. Now, we take the other hand, and we put it on the opposite side. Alright, Toy Chica is almost finished. We take the head. Now, this is going to be the most complicated part, because it might break, so you're going to have to do this slowly and steadily. Alright, so in this situation, nothing broke, but if it breaks, just don't be surprised and keep trying. But the best way to do it is just to gently attach it. Anyways, I only have a few more toy animatronics for FNAF 2, and then I'll go ahead and do some other FNAF game. And I'm planning on doing FNAF 6 this time, so you should stay tuned for those tutorials. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Five Nights at Freddy's LEGO content. And if you really like it, you should comment down below what I should build next. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video.